Good morning, guys. Today is a big day. Today our furniture finally gets delivered and we can stop sleeping on this air mattress. We've been sleeping on this air mattress since we moved in like a week ago. And so finally today our first shipment of stuff from Korea, our unaccompanied baggage, is going to come, and then also our furniture is coming today also. So just kind of gonna get the house together a little bit better. I'm excited to see the furniture, so I'm so excited. I just want to see how everything looks and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and deflate this little air mattress so that when they bring in everything, there's room. Duh. I'm so excited. So here is our furniture. I'm so excited. So our first shipment actually hasn't come yet, which was actually supposed to be the shipment that came first at like 8 o'clock, but they're not here, and it is 11:15 and they're bringing in our furniture right now. So this is our table so far. It's actually pretty big in here. But it comes with 6 chairs, which I don't know. What is this? Oh, and it extends out. And it comes with 6 chairs, but I'm not sure if all 6 of them are actually going to fit. But we'll do 4 for now and then figure out the 2 later on. So it ended up that we had both trucks show up at the same time. And so we had people going in and out, walking the places. We got all of our unaccompanied baggage right here. We've got our kitchen table and chairs. More boxes, and then here is our living room set. So yeah, we had a bunch. So the boxes show up at the same time, then all the furniture show up at the same time. So we had people bringing in pieces of a bed, couches, as well as trying to bring in these boxes all at the same time, fitting through this little hall right here, trying to squeeze everyone through and trying to time everything right so everyone could fit in through. But they're still setting up the bed upstairs. I haven't even seen upstairs yet. It's going to be a busy day, getting the house all settled and then unpacking all these boxes right here, those boxes right there, and then also this stuff right here. So it's going to be a little bit busy, but I'm gonna get it all done today. I'm still so excited that we finally have furniture to sit on. Super nice. I love it. Time to see what the upstairs looks like. All right, let's see. I love it.
He said it's one of them good ones.
It's one of them good ones. Oh, I love it. This is nice.
Oh my gosh.
This is nice. How about that? Oh my gosh.
This is huge. Look.
It's really tall. Is there?
Me on. Look how much room is left.
I know.
There's one of them.
Let's try it out. Oh. Making much progress. Now I'm out of breath. All the boxes are gone. Well, they're in the garage, but this is what we're dealing with now. I'm gonna wash the dishes. So the dishwasher is currently going at the moment, and then I'm going to wash all the dishes and then put them away. Probably just finish cleaning up and stuff like that. Then I'm going to put the master bedroom together, our bedroom, so I'll put like the quilts, the blankets together and all that stuff too, and the pillows and stuff like that. So we got some stuff for this table right here. Put some stuff on there for now. But for now, still gonna probably just do the dishes. Yeah. Disher, what are you doing? That's not a toy. Okay, bye. Alright, so I set up the table. We got actually some plates and cups set that actually came in little placemats that we actually came with like the table set. So I just set them up for decoration. And I got the blue because it matches the blue in the carpet. So I think it turned out really cute. Alright. So while I'm waiting for the dishes to get cleaned, I'm going to set up this bed. So this is what the quilt that I got. It wasn't exactly what I had pictured at first, but I mean, we'll get this, and then it comes with obviously the comforter, 2 king pillowcases, 2 standard pillowcases, the sheets, and then this decorative pillow. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and then show you guys what it looks like at the end. All right, so this is what it's looking like. I mean, I think I like it. Looks pretty nice. Probably just get some lamps, one for this side, one for that side. Get some stuff on the walls, looking pretty bare. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Whew. It is very much later on the day. It is like 6 o'clock now, and I have basically cleaned, unpacked, and organized all day today. I'm still not done. I'm still currently actually running. I have... Dexter can't make it onto the bed because it's so high. Let's see if he tries. Come on, Dexter. Up. Oh, the one time I try and get it on camera, he actually makes it up here. But I am still cleaning dishes and running the dishwasher. So I'm just trying to get all, whoops, trying to get all the dishes clean. And that way tomorrow I can just focus on the closet, because the closet, none of my clothes are hung up. They are all still in suitcases. I'll give you a sneak peek. It's pretty horrendous. So this is it right now. So this is like my clothes right here, still in suitcases. All my husband's clothes is up here. Because we just got these hangers today. We didn't want to buy like a lot more hangers because we have these hangers coming, and then we also have like a crap ton more of hangers coming in our next shipment. I was like, I don't want to waste more money on hangers that we already have. We just have to be patient. So right now that's what we're working with. Dexter, oh, Dexter, you're just too cute. He's too cute. But yeah, I am so tired. I got up at like 6 o'clock and automatically, because I thought the movers were going to show up at 8 o'clock. So I wanted to make sure that everything was like vacuumed, that the mattress was deflated and everything. And then it didn't end up coming until like 11 or 12. So I'm pretty tired. Either I'm probably going to keep cleaning, probably just relax the rest of the night after that. So yeah. I don't know how long this vlog is going to be. If it was short, I'm sorry. But I hope that you did enjoy this vlog. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. That would be very much appreciated. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.